Welcome to Mass Power channel. I am Dr.Aruna Shunmugavel. Let us see a motivational quote. Success comes from hard work, persistence, late nights, rejections, sacrifices, criticism, doubts, failure, and risks. Let us see the lingual nerve, which is related to the groove below third molar. Okay, this is the area where the lingual nerve is related. From where do you get lingual nerve? Lingual nerve arises from the posterior division of mandibular nerve. Observe, the lingual nerve arises from posterior division of mandibular nerve. Is there any other branches from posterior division? Yes, there are branches. And what are those branches? Observe, this is the inferior alveolar nerve, and this one is the auriculotemporal nerve. You are observing three labeled areas. Number one, this is the lingual nerve. Number two, this is the inferior alveolar nerve. Number three, this is the auriculotemporal nerve. Okay, fine. Now, like the lingual nerve, whether inferior alveolar and auriculotemporal are going to run in close contact with the mandible? Yes. Observe this picture. Where are these three nerves related? See, groove for the lingual nerve. And this is the area mandibular foramen that leads to mandibular canal. Here comes the inferior alveolar nerve. And this is the medial aspect of the neck of mandible. And here auriculotemporal nerve crosses. That means the lingual nerve, the inferior alveolar nerve, and the auriculotemporal nerve. These three are in close contact with the mandible, and these three are branches from posterior division of mandibular nerve. Observe this picture. This is our lingual nerve, and this is our inferior alveolar nerve entering into mandibular foramen. Just before it enters, it gives the mylohyoid nerve. Okay, and observe the auriculotemporal nerve. Where is auriculotemporal nerve? See the picture. This is the auriculotemporal nerve. That means the three branches, that is the lingual nerve and inferior alveolar nerve and auriculotemporal nerve. These three arise from posterior division of mandibular nerve. Okay, fine. When you say the branches from posterior division, we should talk about the branches from anterior division, isn't it? What are the branches arising from anterior division? Observe the deep temporal nerves arising from anterior division. The masseteric branch. See the picture. The masseteric branch supplying masseter and nerve to lateral pterygoid. These three are motor branches, and also there is one sensory branch from anterior division, that is the long buccal nerve. So from the anterior division we get deep temporal branches and the masseteric branch and nerve to lateral pterygoid and long buccal nerve. These three are motor branches, that is deep temporal, masseteric and lateral pterygoid. But the long buccal nerve, that is sensory. So from posterior division we get the lingual, inferior alveolar, auriculotemporal. From anterior division you get deep temporal branches, masseteric nerve, nerve to lateral pterygoid and long buccal nerve. Shall we end up the session? Sometimes life doesn't give you what you want. It gives you what you need to grow. Thank you for watching.